Mabuhay! Good morning, sir. Welcome to Alice's Restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
Yes, I am.
May I have your name, please?
Dylan Joseph.
Wait a minute, sir. Okay, sir. Upon checking the information, we confirm that you have a reservation. This way, please. Have a seat.
Oh,
By the way, sir, I am Anne Cristal, your food server for today. May I know your table napkin?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. I'll just go get your water.
go.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your water. Excuse me, sir. Would you like to try our drinks? Would you like iced tea or apple juice?
I see.
Excuse me, sir.
3.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your juice. Excuse me, sir. I'll just go get your bread.
You go.
Excuse me, sir. Here's your bread. Would you like some more?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Go.
Excuse me, sir. May I present to you our menu? Excuse me, sir. I'll be back to take your order later.
Waiter.
Excuse me, sir. May I take your order, please?
I'll have the chicken teriyaki.
Would you like to try our spring roll, sir?
No.
How about some mango float?
No.
How about red wine, sir?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. I'll be back. Excuse me, sir. May I present to you our wine list? We have Rocco Grobel Road from California. May I pour some wine on your glass?
Yes.
Here's your card, sir. Would you like some more, sir?
No.
Please excuse me for a while.
3.
Excuse me, sir. May I adjust your table?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your order, chicken teriyaki. Excuse me, sir.
There you go.
Excuse me, sir. May I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Here's your bill. Thank you, sir. Come again next time.